Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the top 5 highlights of the Mahindra XUV 300 compact SUV. The Mahindra XUV 300 compact SUV was launched in 2019 to compete against rivals such as the Tata Nexon, Ford EcoSport, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, Hyundai Venue and the latest Kia Sonet. Since launch, the XUV 300 has been selling really good, claiming to provide segment-besting performance, safety and features. Here are the top 5 reasons why you should consider the Mahindra XUV 300 as your next compact SUV. The first reason is the looks. The Mahindra XUV 300 stays true to the XUV branding by providing a wide and aggressive stance with the typical cheetah-inspired design elements at the front. The large LED DRLs are very unique, with a strong shoulder line reminding you of the XUV 500. The LED tail lamps are also stunning to look at, and despite the slightly truncated look from certain angles, the front and rear bumpers also get silver finished skid plates. The top spec W8 and W8 optional variants also get 17-inch alloy wheels, completing the look. Roof rails are standard from the W6 variant itself, with projector headlamps, LED DRLs, and front fog lamps are standard from the W8 variant onwards. The second talking point of the Mahindra XUV 300 is the interior quality and space. All variants of the Mahindra XUV 300 come with a dual-tone interior theme with impressive quality materials. Despite the overall generic and curvy design of the dashboard, even the lower spec W4, W6 variants get some nice quality touches with a robust feeling power window and mirror switches, front center armrest, solid feeling headlamp and wiper stalks, and soft feel dashboard plastics. The top spec variants also get piano black finish on the center console, along with the leather wrap steering wheel and gear knob. The topmost W8 optional variant offers light beige color leather seats, which also adds to the premium appeal. Talking about seating comfort, the XUV 300 is one among the very rare compact SUVs which can comfortably seat a 6-footer adult in the back seat despite having a 6-footer adult in the driver's seat. Despite the slight lack of under-thigh support, the wide cabin ensures that 3 adults can be seated comfortably abreast in the back seat. While the front armrest is standard from the W4 variant itself, a rear seat center armrest is available only on the W8 and W8 optional variants, along with a height-adjustable driver's seat. Despite the XUV 300 offering a luggage capacity 100 liters lesser than the segment standard, the passenger cabin is largely spacious and comfortable. The third talking point of the Mahindra XUV 300 is the number of features. The entry-level W4 variant itself offers a few standard features, including all 4 power windows, power-adjustable ORVMs, a front center armrest, and 60/40 split-folding rear seats. The next level W6 variant onwards features like rear adjustable headrests, a 2-DIN non-touchscreen audio system, a TFT instrument cluster, remote central locking, roof rails and 16-inch steel wheel covers are also offered. The W8 variant adds dual-zone automatic climate control, cruise control, automatic headlamps and automatic wipers, height-adjustable driver seat, rear center armrest, a 7-inch touchscreen system with reverse parking camera, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, smart key access with push-button start, 17-inch alloy wheels, projector headlamps with LED DRLs, front and rear fog lamps, and rear windshield wiper washer with defogger. The highest spec W8 optional variant additionally offers full leather upholstery, dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels, and front parking sensors as standard. All variants of the XUV 300 also offer the automatic engine start-stop function, along with the smart steering modes, including comfort, normal and sport modes. An electric sunroof though is available as standard on the W6 and W8 optional variants, with only the diesel version of the W8 mid-spec variant getting an electric sunroof. The fourth most significant point of the Mahindra XUV 300 is safety. The entry-level W4 variant offers standard safety features including dual airbags, all-wheel disc brakes, ABS with EBD, ISOFIX child seat mounts, manual central locking, pre-tensioner-equipped front seat belts, reverse parking sensors, and engine immobilizer as standard. The second-level W6 variant adds remote central locking, with the W8 variant adding more safety features including front and rear fog lamps, rear windshield wiper washer with defogger, and a reverse parking camera. However, it is the W8 optional top-spec variant which adds 7 airbags, front parking sensors, seatbelt warning for the rear seat passengers, along with electronic stability program, traction control, hill hold, rollover mitigation, and brake assist on the manual variants. Apart from this, it has to be mentioned that the W6 AMT variant of the XUV 300 also offers ESP traction control with hill hold, while the W6 manual variant does not get these features. The last and key selling point of the Mahindra XUV 300 is the on-road performance. The Mahindra XUV 300 is currently the most powerful compact SUV in India, offering 1 petrol and 1 diesel engine option. The 1.2-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine produces 110 PS of maximum power with a segment-besting 200 Nm of maximum torque, which is very much fun to drive while also being very smooth. The 1.5-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine produces 116 PS of maximum power and a whopping 300 Nm of maximum torque, which is also incredibly addictive to drive. Both engines are available with a smooth shifting 6-speed manual transmission, with a 6-speed AMT option available only on the W6 and W8 optional variants. In terms of ride and handling also, the Mahindra XUV300 is equally impressive with a very absorbent ride quality on rough roads while also being very stable at higher speeds. As standard, all variants also provide the smart steering modes, which alters the steering wheel weight and steering feedback. The comfort mode makes the steering wheel the lightest, making it very convenient for city drives, while the sports mode makes it the heaviest, to improve feedback and stability, to improve feedback and confidence at higher speeds. Then there is the normal mode, which is a setting between the two. So those were the top 5 reasons why you should seriously consider the Mahindra XUV300 as your next compact SUV, and they are also the reason why the XUV300 is selling well. That said, it may not be the best value for money compact SUV due to the slightly higher pricing compared to its rivals. The XUV300 petrol manual range starts from Rs 7.95 lakh ex-showroom, going all the way up to Rs 11.48 lakh ex-showroom for the W8 optional manual variant. The petrol AMT range starts from Rs 9.99 lakh ex-showroom for the W6 AMT, going all the way up to Rs 12.12 lakh ex-showroom for the W8 optional AMT variant. The diesel manual range starts from Rs 8.97 lakh ex-showroom for the W4 manual, going up to Rs 12.27 lakh ex-showroom for the W8 optional diesel manual. The diesel AMT range, on the other hand, starts from Rs 10.81 lakh ex-showroom for the W6 AMT, going all the way up to Rs 12.94 lakh ex-showroom for the W8 optional AMT. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about the Mahindra XUV300 compact SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.